In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page to a Lovable project, whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with Lovable. This process is straightforward and user-friendly. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to the Lovable platform, open your web browser, and go to the Lovable website. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to enter your credentials as you may not be able to access your projects otherwise. Once you're on the Lovable homepage, you'll see a list of your projects. It's important to know that this is where you'll manage all your creative ideas and work within Lovable. Next, you'll need to select the project to which you'd like to add a new page. Use the intuitive search or scroll through your list to find the project you have in mind. Click on your desired project name and this will land you on the project dashboard. The project dashboard is a central hub where you manage all the facets of your project, from content to collaboration tools. This is where the magic happens, and it's an exciting part of using Lovable because everything you need is organized in one neat space. Once you're at your project, you might be wondering about the AI capabilities of Lovable, which really streamline this process. Go ahead and ask Lovable.AI to add a page. Yes, you can simply ask because this feature is powered by AI, making it efficient and responsive to your requests. In the Lovable dashboard, you should see an option or a button that allows you to communicate with the AI. It's designed to easily understand your request to add a new page, and it will be at your service in no time. After you've made your request to the AI, follow its prompts. Lovable AI is intuitive and will guide you through the necessary steps. It may ask for details like the name of the page or specific content you want to include. Be as specific as possible in order to make the process smoother. This is where Lovable AI truly shines, as it adapts and learns from your interactions, offering a seamless experience. Remember, if at any point you feel stuck, you can always refer back to the sidebar or help section for additional guidance. Adding a page is a straightforward task, but don't hesitate to explore the options Lovable AI provides. It often suggests features or formats that enhance your project beyond basic content creation, adding that extra touch that makes your project stand out. In conclusion, whether you're adding content or organizing your projects, Lovable offers a simplified, user-friendly interface that encourages creativity and efficiency. Now you're ready to go forth and expand your project with new and exciting pages. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy creating!